If you want it, Haitian All-StarZ got it. From the tri-state to the islands, to the rest of the world and back.
Get it on.
Everybody
Got you covered.
Haitian All-StarZ.
It's the Haitian All-StarZ. Haitian
All-StarZ. Yeah, what an amazing set, man.
Yes. Kanaval.
Yeah.
We're getting ready for Labor Day weekend, man. Early.
That's right, man.
You know
Start
what I mean?
Start it up.
Haitian All-StarZ, RadioLily.com. Every Friday, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. DJ Hard Hittin Harry.
DJayCee.
DJ1.
Yeah, we are in the building, man. Back again for another fantastic show.
Awesome show.
You know what I mean? We got a full house today. All my people in the house, make some noise! Haitian is on the mizami. Got the Haitian. Hey! That's what I mean.
Saludo Dominicano.
Yeah, we got one Dominican in the house. Shout out to the one Dominican we got in the building, my brother DJ1 with the fresh team Dominican. Said the Nancy team Dominican shirt. Wow, no doubt. We got one Jamaican in the building. Man, you know, any Trinis in the house? Any Barbados? Where are my Americans at? All my Americans in the building, make some noise. So listen, we have a full house today. Of course, you know we got Team Denalcy lacing us.
Yes.
With the fresh.
They came in heavy.
Yeah, for real.
Heavy.
I already had my Sock Classic green shirt, but it got all sweaty on the way over here, so I'm really fresh right now. You know what I mean?
They came in blazed us.
You know what I mean?
This is something that I always appreciate, man. Brothers like this, or people in general that are in business, they come and they rep their
and they lace.
They lace you.
They lace you.
Like it's nothing.
I mean? Well, you know we're gonna wear. You know we're like one big billboard. You know what I'm saying? DJs.
Yeah.
We're like one big bill. So the best person to give a T-shirt is a DJ.
That's right. That's right.
Because we're standing there all night like this. You know what I mean?
Post it up.
But we are very honored to have friend to the show.
Yep.
You know what I mean?
Definitely.
One of our very first special guests, actually.
Yeah.
You know, on the show.
She's
getting all emotional right now. Her lips are quivering right now. We got Kim TheMuse Charles of Phoenix Refined in the building. Now, Kim, we appreciate your hustle straight up and down because you are really bringing the MasCamp, the Haitian MasCamp to the masses in a really big way, you know. And what I love about you is you promote the Haitian MasCamp and Phoenix Refined and the costumes throughout the year because you're really trying to drum up the support for our people to represent traditional Haitian costumes.
Gig for her, man.
It's not part-time.
Not at all.
You know, you're really drumming up the support to get our people to represent the Haitian MasCamp costumes on Eastern Parkway throughout the year.
And we gotta also include, so the listeners know, she's the actual originator of the MasCamp from here.
That's right.
She brought it to the masses here.
Don't get it twisted.
Don't get it twisted. Do not think these other people out there are doing the original thing. Kim TheMuse Charles. Write it down in your book.
That's right.
That is where it
Phoenix
came from.
Refined.
Phoenix Refined, baby.
We welcome you. We salute you. Please.
Absolutely.
How you doing?
Thank you. I'm good. I am so grateful and I am humbled to be here for a second year round. A lot of people get on and start a MasCamp and they don't make it to the second year, they don't make it to the third. But I'll be here if God is willing for the next 30 years.
Right.
Because, like I say it all the time, we are more than just a Haitian Masquerade Camp. We are cultural ambassadors to the world.
That's right.
So we definitely, like you said, promote year round because it's more than a Masquerade Camp. We want people to know about their culture.
Right.
But everything that we do is steeped in tradition.
Right.
We want people to see our costumes and say, what is that? And then I can get into a little history lesson with you about what it is that I'm wearing.
I gotta take a picture of it and I'm gonna Instagram it right now for all our listeners.
So people can get a look,
so people can get an idea and they can get a vibe of what we are seeing right now. I love the new design for the new costume because you know I love the traditional costume, the affranchi. Is that what is it?
Yes.
The affranchi, the red with the white. Then we have the brother with the straw hat. You know what I mean? With the man purse. You know what I mean?
man, bro. Jakut, man. Jakut.
Okay. I'm just messing with you. But I love this, man. I love it. And so now we came, to a new year, and you're unveiling new designs, let's talk about that.
Okay, so the basis of 2013 is the theme is thankful, okay, an ode to the Haitian ancestry. So with that being said, we came from the year before, and it was past, present, and future, from being inspired from the ashes we rise, because we've come from a place where we've been through so much drama. We've been through so much, like, oh my gosh, turbulence. You know what I'm saying? And
earthquakes, cholera.
Exactly. Cholera, earthquakes, people stealing our stuff. I ain't gonna go there. But all these things, these tragic things that we've gone through, and there was no hope on the other end. You come to America and you get on the parkway, and then we either are not represented at all, or if we are represented, it's with t-shirts and flags.
Right.
So for me, it wasn't enough. We had to take it a step further, because people in Haiti, they ain't got no money, but they find this little string and they make a costume. They take motor oil grease, wipe it on their body, all over their body, and then they get on that, the Haitian parkway, as I like to call it, and then in Port-au-Prince or wherever they do it, and they make it work. So why can't we, as Haitian Americans who have thrift shops, we have stores, we have access to so many things, we can get on Craigslist, get free material, and we can't create a costume that it's basically into our culture, and it shows it. So the whole objective of us is to just really, really expose the culture and glamorize it. Because I'm a little bit of a diva. So I gotta make sure that I show both ends. And I'm originally a fashion stylist. So when I do things, it has to be done in a specific way, because I want you to get that flavor. I'm not just gonna give you a costume and just throw you on the parkway. You won't have your makeup did. You won't look fierce.
And speaking of which, I wanna say thank you for providing the costumes for my daughter's dance company, Urban Experience, her dance company.
Yeah, that was dope. It was dope.
It was fantastic. We had a show at BAM Cafe, and she has a dance company called Our Folklore, and you provided the traditional Haitian costumes and made them look spectacular. And I just want to say thank you so much for that, because nobody expected that. Nobody expected that.
It even took me by surprise.
Right.
When I was at the show, I was
like little girls coming out with traditional Haitian. I had people in tears. I had people in tears. They told me after, they were crying. You know what I mean? Because I had my family that watched it. That couldn't make it. You know what I mean? They watched it. They were like, wow. So thank you for that. You don't realize the impact that you're really, really bringing. I see you getting all teary and everything.
I have a really ugly cry, y'all. They had me crying on Church Avenue earlier this afternoon.
Oh my God.
It's the heart of the matter. It's the heart of the matter. People can say what they want. They can say, okay, I'm bringing something for Haiti, but it's the heart of the matter. I want people to connect with these costumes. It's not just a costume, it's your culture. You're stepping back into the 1700s. I have a costume called Les Grands Franchis, and she has her head tied up, and she got her little bling bling and everything on the costume. She got little boom shorts. I got the shorts on right now. Hey. But at the end of the day, you know what I'm saying? It's steeped in tradition, even through the plaid that's on the costume. Back in the 1700s, it was just a representation of, what family line you're from and all these different things. And a lot of people don't know that we have history.
That's right.
Besides just, they're a third world country and they poor and they black and that's the end. No, there's more to us. So I try my best.
Steeped in culture.
For whatever it's worth, I don't know if you realize this, but if you take a good look around of everything that's happening today, and I do mean everything, business-wise, social-wise, Haitians are on the rise. I don't know if you know that.
Yeah, we've been on the rise.
No, but listen, it's even more so now. The movement has become immense. And even though I'm the only Dominican, I feel like I'm part of the Haitian culture.
Well, you are. We share the same island.
We share the same island. I understand it. Yes.
That's why you're here, man.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
It's by design. Listen, if y'all listening right now, tune in to get at us.
Text lines available.
347-450-9660. Once again, shoot us a text. Let us know you're listening. 347-450-9660. I'd like to give a big shout out to my man Chris Curriell from Simplicity Wine Bar that's tuning in right now on Malcolm X Boulevard in Brooklyn. All right, right there, man.
Yep.
Shout out to Chris, man. I see you, man. I see you. I'm giving you the shout out. Big and loud right there. I know you got us cranking right now on Malcolm X, so big shout out to Brooklyn right now. I like to say also big shout out to Denalcy in the house, man. All my people, my man Rob, my man Vladimir, you know what I'm saying? Denalcy is in the building, man. If you know me. I rock a Sock Passe t-shirt every week.
Heavy.
You know what I'm saying? Any different color, all kinds of
colors. I'm glad
colors.
they're here because I gotta get my wardrobe up, man. Real talk. I'm tired of going everywhere with you and I ain't got no Sock Passe shirt. I gotta get my wardrobe up,
man. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's only right, man. Shout out to DJ Select.
Yeah, Select.
Yes, man, but definitely if you know me, I rock the Sock Passe t-shirts, you know what I'm saying, ever since my man, Vladimir hit me off at Negro Village way back. We're gonna talk about that, you know what I mean?
Nice.
So that's the first time, and that's the first time I got one. I was like, word, you know what I mean? So we got, it feels really good because as we head into Labor Day weekend, we got clothing, as part of the culture. Clothing, and it just feels really right as we head into Labor Day weekend because once we hit that parkway,
it's a problem.
It's gonna be madness.
It's a problem.
So we gotta put something on our back to represent. I mean, it's beautiful to see our youngsters even rock a Haitian t-shirt. You know what I mean? Whether it's a Sock Passe or whether it's a traditional shirt or costume, Phoenix Refined, just to see the kids proud of their culture, you know what I mean, with a flag or a bandana or you know what I mean, or a t-shirt. It's that culture, you know what I mean?
You guys are changing lives.
Yeah.
You're changing
We
lives.
are, not you guys. We are. You are part of this movement. Don't exclude yourself, sweetie. We are.
Yes.
We as in French. We.
Yeah, man, it's all good. Haitian All-StarZ every Friday, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. RadioLily.com.
Yep.
Big shout out to the entire staff and crew.
Yeah.
Here we inside Miss Lily's Variety. You know what I mean? Every Friday, man, this is how we do it.
Haitian All-StarZ.